I can't even get out. I don't know where to start with this video. This room is a mess.
Showing the wife of a hospital medical
spending some flights to Japan,
Nigeria, Iceland, now outside Oakland today.
Okay. We're currently sitting. Sorry if you hear Dr. Phil. So, this is what we're dealing with. In today's video, I am basically stuck at home. 3 weeks from school because I'm quarantined. Not quarantined, but I'm stuck at home for 3 weeks because school was canceled. And as you guys just saw in the clip, like, this virus is getting really bad. I'm going to shower myself and clean. Finally, haven't cleaned this room in so long, so I'm gonna start with the ground. And sorry if this lighting is like really bad. I have like no way to really change that. We're gonna take all these shoes and take it to my dad's house because it's starting to get warm here, and why is this all just on my bed? Like
this beat today.
out of breath. Currently I have all this stuff that's on my bed on the ground, I think to be washed. So yes, all this, I'm gonna take all this off. I'm gonna take this all off, we're gonna wash it. Okay, we got all this off. We're gonna go put it in the washer. I can't even get out.
This is just an example.
Look at all the germs they found on a plate.
Okay, I got all that out there just to like sit out there so I can clean the rest of the room until like the sheets and stuff's done so I can clean the bed. I have like nothing to put on, so currently I'm using this box. Okay, so I got this bag full of just basically junk that I'm gonna take out here. How am I gonna get through?
Hiring nurse case managers.
So all these shoes I'm gonna try to just take to my dad's house, except for those because it's for prom. Take these because it's just like getting warm. I think just take these. Okay, so I'm working with all of this and I'm gonna try to just make it look all nicer. Okay, so I currently have like all this stuff right here that I don't really know what to do. These things fill up my blanket, so I like think they're really cute. And like then there's like just like this earrings, just like a bunch of like jewelry, but it just like don't look right over here. So the room looks a lot better. Everything is mainly cleaned in here. I just have to wait until I get the comforter, like the sheets and everything, and the pillows to put back on the bed. They're in the washer. So it's been a little bit, and I got the sheet on. Now I'm just gonna get like the comforter that's like the clean comforter and like the pillows and everything. all this on. Now I'm just waiting to get like shush. Just waiting for like the pillow covers so I can put it on the pillows and then put the rest of the pillows in the back. But it's fresh. They're really warm. Yeah. It's all set. The lighting has totally changed since earlier filming this. I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys want more videos from me, guys, just watch this video, thumbs up, comment on anything we do next. Subscribe button, follow my social medias, they're always in the description. And yeah, see you next time.